Today I'm going to show you all the dog pirates. First is Seadog Skipper. Cannons fire twice. It's a sea. Okay. There's two Seadog Skipper and some chompies. Next on all the all the dog pirates is Seadog Pirate, which is this guy. Give him. Here he comes. Seadog Pirate, famed pirate duelist. Next on all the dog pirates in Skylanders Spyro's Adventures is Captain K9. Captain K9 anchors may be slow, but they pack a punch. More chompies. Oh, more these two Seadog Skippers and 3 of these Seadog Pirates. So that's all for all the pirates, dog pirates in Skylanders Spyro's Adventures. See one of my other videos.